Step into the 2011 Toyota Tundra Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include integrated turn signal mirrors, keyless entry, power door locks, pass-through rear seat, trip computer, fog lamps, sliding rear window, adjustable steering wheel, and knee airbag. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.